ChatGPT, an AI software that can and will help you make massive amounts of passive income. And in only 8 minutes, I will show you exactly how to do that. This is a step-by-step on what you can do to make this your year. Let's get into it. Udemy. Udemy is a website where you can buy courses and learn absolutely anything you want. Maybe you've even bought courses yourself, but today, you'll be the one selling the courses. And you'll be using ChatGPT to write the whole thing. So, let's brainstorm together. Step 1. Pick a topic that interests you. The best part, you don't even have to know much about it. It could be IT development, mental health courses, meditation courses, pet training courses. There are hundreds of opportunities for you right here, which brings me to step 2, research. Although there are hundreds of courses, you might be asking, how do I know if this will make me any money? Good question. We can check the marketplace insights to ensure we are risk-free. Not that there's any risk to begin with, because this is all 100% free. Let's say you want to create a course about pet training. Let's figure out the insights and boo, $520 a month, crap. Maybe meditation. Student demand is high, and the top monthly revenue is $2,674. Now that's good, but it's not great. But it's not what we're looking for. How about public speaking? Oh, the holy grail. There's a potential to make $3,900 a month. That extra $3,900 could go a long way. You gotta look at this as a way that you could maybe even make multiple courses. Sales skills is quite good. PowerPoint is also good. It's $4,755 a month. You'd think a lot of people would know how to use PowerPoint, but there are a lot of people taking courses on it. Excel is insane. $55,000 in revenue. But it's best to stay away from something like this, since that's where all the whales are. Remember, it's vital that you research a course before creating one. I don't want you guys to make a course and then be disappointed because there is no money to be made. But now you've chosen your topic, it's time to move on to step 3, baby. Creating the course. Now this is where ChatGPT comes in. They are going to write the whole course for us. So you're going to start off with asking ChatGPT to write an outline for an online course about public speaking. Within a few seconds, boom, we'll literally have a whole presentation. So we can see each title here is going to be our lessons, and the first step is the overview of the course. We'll be making our slideshow on Google Slides. You can use PowerPoint, but I prefer Google Slides since it's free and we're trying to make lots of money, and some of us may not have any money to invest. So we'll start off quickly on Google Slides just by writing the name of the course, which will be public speaking. Maybe a quick little catchphrase like, you know, everything you need to know. Suspenseful. And for the second slide, we'll start off with an overview of each lesson listed on ChatGPT. So as we can see, we've got all of the lessons listed there. This is what each person that buys the course is going to be learning. This is good because it gives an overview of what they're going to be learning before they even start, so that's pretty great. And you know, you can also change the text, change the color of the text. Like if you want to put an image of, for example, public speaking, like loads of people listening to someone, you can do that as well. There's loads of customization ways and things you can do on Google Slides. It's pretty elite. So this next step is going to be more of a rinse and repeat process. So what we're going to do here, so if we take a look at the outline of our online course, we can see that number 1 is an introduction to public speaking. So we're simply going to write in ChatGPT, write a script for a lesson on the introduction of public speaking. So as you can see, that's all done and dusted, and all we're going to do next is just write down, turn the script into a slide presentation, and they're going to do all that for us. And boom, as we can see here, we got the introduction, the definition, the importance, boom, 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 everything we need, baby. So we're going to head over to Google Slides now. We're going to put in lesson 1, introduction of public speaking. Basically, AI has already given us a title for each slide in lesson 1. Slide 1, the importance of public speaking. Slide 2, build confidence. Slide 3, connect with your audience. Slide 4, influence others, etc, etc. And all we're going to do then is just copy and paste each bullet point onto each slide, and we've already got our first lesson done. And if you don't know how to use Google Slides, I'm sure there are many videos on YouTube you can look at. Me personally, I just learned it myself. I didn't really go into any YouTube videos. I imagine there's a lot more I could learn, but to be honest, this will be enough. If you want to have 5-star reviews and have more chances of people buying your course, then you can get a voiceover artist to voice the presentation, which we'll be speaking a little bit more about later. We'll be talking about what you can do to increase your reviews and get more sales. But now let's take a look at what we're going to do next. Now, of course, you can always ask ChatGPT to elaborate on some points to make the course a bit longer. You can also make them go more in depth on certain topics. This is just an example, just so I can show you guys of, show you the ropes of how to do this. And as I said, it's just a rinse and repeat process, so you'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll see our next lesson, which is preparation and research. So we'll do the same thing. We'll do write a script for a lesson on preparation and research. Boom, they write the script, and then we ask them to turn the script into a slideshow presentation, and boom, we've got more slides once again. And that's what you do. You'll just rinse and repeat that until you have a masterclass to sell to people. And you know, you guys can literally make any course you want. That's the beauty of it. And the best part is it is 100% free. Ah, yeah. It won't cost you anything. You don't have to spend money to make money, and it also won't cost you your time. This literally took me about 5 minutes to do each lesson, so about 30 minutes in total for a course that's going to be on that site forever. So now that we have this and we have a fully functional course, let's do a little recap of the prompts to use. So you start off in ChatGPT and you write the phrase, write an outline for an online course on your topic that you've chosen. Once the course has been generated, you take the first lesson and you use the prompt, write me a script for a lesson on the lesson that you've chosen, which will be the first one if you're starting off fresh. Once they've generated that, you simply ask ChatGPT to turn the script into a slideshow presentation. And as I mentioned earlier, it is just a rinse and repeat process. You don't have to do any extra work. This is the perfect bit. The only thing it's going to cost you is 30 minutes of your time just copying and pasting things into Google Slides. That is easy as shit. Don't complain about it. You can ask yourself a lifetime at the office or the construction site, or a lifetime copying shit into Google Slides. I'll take the lifetime of Google Slides. Uh-oh, but we've hit a bump in the road. How do I upload my course? Because it needs to be video format. Shit, guys. I'm sorry I didn't prepare for this. Sorry, guys. I wasted your time. This is the end of the video. Just kidding. Simplest way to do it is download OBS software, which allows you to record your screen, which is what I also use to record my screen throughout this whole video. It's totally free and easy to use. Once you've fully recorded your slideshow, the next step is super easy. But quickly, there are two roads you can take here. You can either just upload the course as it is, which is, you know, that's all good if you want to do that. But if you want to increase your chances of getting good reviews, which will obviously result in more customers, what I would suggest is, if you want to do this, it's not necessary, but head on Fiverr, find a voiceover artist, and just get them to do a voiceover for the whole presentation. Again, this isn't necessary, but if you do want to increase your chances of making more money, as I said, this would be the road I would take. And it's the road I have taken many times. That's just a quick little tip for you guys right there. Another thing you guys can do is look for courses which have a high student demand, but there aren't many courses on that. Now, these are rare, untapped markets on Udemy. It is difficult to find them, but there are some that you can tap into. There will be also new courses uploaded to the site. The best thing to do is make a list of all the things you're interested in and all the things you'd like to do, and just make your way down the list of making a course of each topic you are interested in. And one little trick of the brain is if you try to make your course somehow relatable, that will also increase your reviews and sales, because people like things that relate to them. Now, once you've fully recorded your slideshow, upload your course onto Udemy and turn your course into money. And that's the easiest bit, is uploading it. And you can make as many courses as you guys want. You don't even have to make one, you can make 10, you can make 20, hell, you can even make 100. And just for a couple more pointers to make this video more valuable for yourself, I would recommend staying between the topics that have a $2,000 to $3,000 a month revenue. You can always aim higher, entirely up to you. As I said, it's risk-free, you're not really going to lose any money, so this whole thing will literally bring you passive income. And to end the video off, I want to say, if you did enjoy, or if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what topic you've gone for. I'd love to see, you know, what you guys are brainstorming down there. And stay tuned for more videos like this on ChatGPT, and I'll see you all in the next one.